Dear students, today we have to study or we have to only discuss about the question. Already we complete last session. We completed a topic number 1, that is reproduction in organism, and topic weightage is a 5 mark. This topic is important for your annual question paper, annual purpose, important for 5 mark. We discuss here year wise questions only. That year means annual or board examination question paper only, not midterm or preparatory, nothing any, only board question paper questions are here. So we discuss about the year wise questions of this topic, and that was asked only in the PUC second year PU board examination, annual theory examination. This topic is important for 5 mark. Okay, so here first, that is first question, they asked March 2014. First question, that is offsprings of asexual reproduction are called as clones. Why? Here we need clone definition. Okay, asexual because offsprings are morphologically and genetically similar to their parents. Whenever we see here in this third column, second column they mention the mark, and third column number of NCERT textbook, that is page number 5, we got here this question answer. So come to the second. Second is a what are hermaphrodites? Mention one example. Hermaphrodites meaning and one example is very important here. What are hermaphrodites? Hermaphrodites means in one organism both male and female gametes are present in only one body. So that phenomena we called as hermaphrodite. Mention one example, that is earthworm. So here page book number 11. That answer is present in the NCERT book number, page number 11. So next question, differentiate between homogamete and heterogametes. Differentiate between homogametes and heterogametes. This question 2 marks. We want here two difference. One is a particular, one is a definition, another one example. Okay. So here come to the next. July 2014 question paper. They ask two questions here. One, what are hermaphrodites? Again same. Give example. Okay. So next, mention the units of vegetative propagation in plants, and that was important for 3 marks. So these both answers are present in NCERT page number 11 and page number 7. So come to the next, that is March 2015 annual March. So here ask again three questions. That is one, define parthenogenesis. Okay, that is 1 mark question. Second one, differentiate between menstrual and ooster cycle, 2 marks. Again here we want one definition, two difference are there, one definition, another one example. So come to the third question, name asexual reproductive structure in Hydra and Calmedomonas, and next one is a Penicillium, each having 1 mark. Only here mention the asexual reproductive structure, for example Hydra, bird, like that. Okay, so come to the next. Again here in this column we mention the page number also. So come to the next, that is July 2015, means a supplementary question paper. Here again they ask three questions, that is define embryogenesis, very easy answer is this. Next question, that is mention the asexual reproductive structure in only penicillin, means this question carry only 1 mark. So come to the third, what is heterothallic condition? Okay, 1 mark. And difference between staminate and pistillate flower. So this question carry 3 marks, 1 mark for a definition, another 2 marks for a difference. So come to the March 2016 question paper. Here in the March 2016, here first question they ask two question in the annual question paper. First question, that is differentiate seasonal breeders from continuous breeders. Okay, so second question, what is parthenogenesis? Give two example. See there. So come to the next, July 2016 means a supplementary question paper 2016. First question they ask again here, what are hermaphrodites, and give two examples. Here only one difference, whenever we discuss about the 2014 question paper, listen carefully. They are in the March 2014 and July 2014 means annual. Another one is a supplementary. In the both question paper, this question was occurs. Which one? What are hermaphrodites? But there they ask only one example. Here they ask two example, means this question to July 2016 they will ask for the 2 marks. 1 mark for definition, another 1 marks for example, means each example carry half mark. Understood? So come to the next question, that is name vegetative propagule of the following plant. Here 3 vegetative propagules means automatically one each having 1 mark. One is a agave, another one is a ginger, another one is a bryophyllum. These 3 question each carry 1 mark. So come to the next, again March 2017. So here March 2007 again question is present, what are hermaphrodites, means 4 time repeat question is there, hermaphrodite definition. Remember this means, okay. So come to the second question, mention the asexual reproductive structure in sponge, means this carry again 1 mark. So come to the next, third one, name the vegetative propagules of the following plant. First potato, second ginger, and third bryophyllum, means each question query 1 mark. So come to the next, July 2017. Okay, here again 2 questions are there, but in the second questions option questions are AB, like AB. Okay, so first question, what are vegetative propagates? Give 2 example, means definition carry 1 mark and examples each carry half mark. So here mention page number also again same, NCERT book page number 7. Then second one, differentiate between external fertilization and internal fertilization. So this question query 2 marks, means again page number 14. That answer is present NCERT biology textbook page number 14. So here one is a definition, another one is an example. Come to the next, second B question, that is name the plant which produce flowers once in a 12 years. Okay, which one? That example Neil Kuranji, it carries 1 mark. Then come to the March 2018. So March 2018 again 2 questions are there. One, what are homogametes and heterogametes, means we need here definition about the homogamete and heterogamete, both definition want here. So come to the second, mention the vegetative propagules of the following plant, that is water hyacinth, agave, and banana. Okay, so come to the next, July 2018 means a supplementary, distinguish between menstrual and oestrus cycle. One question carry 2 mark. Again here one definition, another one is example is necessary. So second question, define asexual reproduction, mention asexual reproductive structure in penicillin and sponge. This question carry 3 mark, page number is a NCERT book page number 6. So come to the next, March 2019, name of the reproductive cycle that occurs in a non-primates, carry 1 mark. Okay, non-primates means here answer is a oestrus cycle. So next question, what is embryogenesis? Question mark means 1 mark here. Mention 2 important events that occur during embryogenesis. Which events are occurs during embryogenesis? Both question carry 2 mark. One for definition, another 2 important events for 1 mark. Means 1 events carry 1 mark or half mark only. So come to the next, June 2019. Differentiate between seasonal breeders and continuous breeders. Second question, mention the main 3 events in sexual reproduction.